So, hi dear Scorpio, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. Just let me drink my water. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 23rd till the 29th of September. I'm going to pull one card for each day. You can take it as messages or guidance or warnings, or you can take it as like roads and like roadblocks and obstacles and challenges in your spiritual growth and what you should do in order to remove those blockages. Okay, if you want to be a like professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time and writing a book as well on that. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, honey. Scorpio, let's see the 7 day, 7 messages for Scorpio people for the week of 23rd till the 29th of September. Okay. Wow. Why are you not letting me shuffle even? What is wrong, honey? Tell me. So for the 23rd, we have the patience. That's why. Okay, you're being very, very impatient these days, might be. Restlessness, impatient kind of energies, and not being able to understand what you should do and what you should not do is the first message for you guys. The more you are going to be in patience, the more you are going to be in this energy that things need time to develop into something meaningful. The more you are going to be in this energy of letting people, things, and situations unfold the way they should, unfold in the manner in the manner they should. It's going to be very helpful for you, okay, as a human, as a soul as well. So patience is the key for you guys for the 23rd of September. 24th, we have the compromise. So in order to find a middle ground, in order to find a solution to a problem that you're facing might be with another energy here, you need to compromise in a certain way so that you will be able to find a middle ground instead of losing the person, instead of losing your mind. If you're going to find a middle ground in a situation, then it is going to be helpful for you guys, okay? So finding a middle ground, finding a compromise kind of a deal in a situation is going to help you to find a peaceful solution to a problem that you're facing in some area of your life, maybe in your relationship area, I guess, right? So on 25th, we have the exhaustion. On 25th, you're going to work too hard or too many hours or too much of stress for your work or something that you're going to work on like crazy, like a machine or something, and you're going to exhaust yourself to the limit of I can't do it anymore. So stop doing that. You are not a machine, you are a human being. So if you are in a race, in a rat race of trying to prove yourself to be the best in some way, stop doing that because you are best in your own way, okay? Stop exhausting yourself to the level of hating yourself for working for something that you used to like at some point of time. Tada. Okay? If this is making any sense, this is a message here. Okay. 26th, we have the flowering. So on the 26th of September, I do see you getting the results of your hard work, getting the results of your patience. On the 26th of September, you are going to bloom in a certain way. You are going to get success in a certain way. You are going to look good as well, feel good as well, because you are going to use your creativity, or you are going to use your feminine side, or you are going to use this energy of letting things flow the way they should, and it is going to give you like a lot of internal patience, internal peace, that you're going to flower and blossom in a very beautiful way, okay? So this is a message also, this is a guidance also. If you're going to let people, things, and situations flower and blossom the way they should, it's going to help you in getting your peace back, plus good results as well, okay, positive results as well. Cool, that's really cool. 3, 4, 5, 6, 27 totality. On the 27th of September, Scorpio, you might need help from other people in order to complete a task that needs some kind of teamwork or team project kind of a deal, okay? Especially if this is something related to teamwork or team a project or something, please take help from those people who can help you in getting this project done, this work done. Because if you're going to be in this energy of hesitating to take help from somebody, or in this energy of okay, I will do it alone, then it's not going to work out in your favor. So it's going to get delayed or over delayed, or some kind of obstacles will keep on coming back to you if you're not going to take help. That is very, very important in order to accomplish something, okay, something that's quite important for you as a individual, okay? Cool. Now on the 28th, yeah, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, going with the flow. 28th of September, finally, you're going to understand the message of going with the flow. You are going to be in the surrender energy, you are going to be in this going with the flow kind of energy, or you should, if you are not able to do that. So, you might be trying your best to do things in a certain way, control things in a certain way, and trying to control each and everything that's coming your way. Don't try to do that. Just try to go with the flow. It's very, very important to just go with the flow, let things be, let people be, let situations be, in order to get what you really want in your life. Everything will come to you when it is supposed to happen, when it is supposed to come, but again, you have to surrender, you have to let go, and you have to go with the flow. Then only things will start coming to you naturally. It's a process of manifestation, it's a magic of manifestation. This is how you manifest, going with the flow, not stressing over things or people or situation that you can't change or control, and just letting go and surrender. And trust is very important. Wow, the source. See, talking about trust, and the source is here. So on the 29th of September, Scorpio, you are finally going to be in this energy of understanding that the source and the divine is going to give you everything that's meant for you, just at the right timing. All you have to do is to trust, let go, and surrender to the divine, surrender to the source. The source is everywhere. The source is always around you. The source is always surrounding you. All you have to do is trust. And you will be good to go. Okay, it's like the fire. Keep the fire going on inside of you. Keep the enthusiasm, keep the energy of, yes, I will get whatever is meant for me at the right timing. But again, the fire should be there, the energy of excitement should be there, the energy of letting go and trust on the divine, on the source is there. Then everything will start falling into place the way it should, in the divine timing. Okay, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.